What's up, guys? This is a keychain light. It is a powerful light, two-in-one light inside a keychain, and I think it has some magnets as well. So let's check it out. What is this? There's some screws. I don't know why do we need these for this, but they are here. Okay, Type C, my USB to Type C. That's good. Type C is always welcome. This is our light. And let's put it aside. We have this light keychain. So this one you will use to hang it with your keys and maybe your bag or something like that. This is one light. This is magnet, I think. This is the other light. This is magnet, which is also rotatable. Let me see if it is magnet. Yep, it is magnet. Let me show you. So this is also a key ring, by the way. I shared it with you guys in one of my previous videos. So let's test out magnet. See, you can also do it like this, so you can change the angle and attach it to your car and do some work. So that, and it's quite powerful. Like, you may say, okay, what's new, just another light. Let me show you its power. This is one mode. This is full light. Actually, you, why is it blinking in the camera? It's not blinking in real, but for some reason the camera shows it's like it is blinking. What is going on? Okay, it's quite powerful. Even in full light you can see that the effect it is creating on the table. Even in my hand, see, this, it does not have, okay, this is slow mode, this is strobing mode, this is off again. Okay, now we have this light, blinking mode, so blinking mode. Now we have this one. Again, this is quite powerful as well. Even in full light you can see, if you press it again it goes slow, and then blinking mode, and then it turns itself off. So this is small little keyring, quite cheap, magnet attached, type C port here. Let me show you. Charge it, and then we have one light which is flashlight here. This is floodlight here. Both quite powerful, and it comes in different colors and different shapes. It is totally up to you which one do you like, but this is another keychain out there. Let me know what you think of it. Take care of yourself. Bye.